I thought you were going to wear some masks. That's why I got this thing out.
Well, it's really a pain in the ass when a friend wants to video everything, but I love it anyway. Okay, Emma. Hear me.
No, you can't put this on, you can't.
How come?
Because you have to put that on. You have to put it on.
You're bossy. How about the tiger?
No, this.
Oh, the zebra?
Uh-huh. Put this string on. Then you. No, what do you take a picture?
Now he's going to be the lion. See, now that's one way to overcome your fear. If you just be the lion, then it's not frightening.
I don't want this.
You don't? Why?
Well, we're going to get to see this on TV in a minute.
Yeah.
What kind of movie? You get that next time. You will this. Okay? Ow!
Look what I got, Emma.
What?
It says made in Hong Kong with some hair. It's your hair.
You like that? What is that?
Tiger. What does a tiger sound like?
I don't know.
I like it. Okay, let's go down and watch it.
Since you're a Leo.
Huh?
You are a Leo.
I know. I need to make some big Leo mask. Hide it in bed. Let Wiki roll over on it one morning.
You will have a pool bear. I mean, you will this.
Oh, I haven't been gorilla. Ready?